Alright guys, welcome to a quick little walkthrough of this resource. We have the seating chart template. First page here is kind of just a little how to use. There is several different layouts available and then one that you can make your own at the end. In order to make more desks on any of these, or down here in the one where you create, all you have to do is hit the hotkeys for copy and paste. You can also right click to copy and paste if that's what you're looking for. And then you're currently watching this video tutorial, so nice to see you. These first couple ones, we have just our regular rows. We have it laid out in horizontal as well as vertical. Then we have some groups, a couple different groups. Here we have large tables if you're not actually at individual desks, with a few extra desks on the side there. Same thing but portrait, as well as desk rows in the middle with a row around the outside. So like maybe if you're in a computer lab or something like that, this is a layout that I've seen before. Then here on this last page we have spots where you can move around. If you just click and drag, you can move these pieces around wherever you want. And then over to the side here, we have a stack of desks where you can just drag and put them wherever you want. If you end up running out of desks, again, you can just hit those Control-C, Control-V hotkeys. And then you can definitely delete these instructions because no one has instructions just floating in the middle of their classroom, so don't worry about that. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me or send me a message on social media. The messages on TPT aren't great for answering questions, so go ahead and find me on those other platforms. Thanks and have a great day.